2021 was an year for Samsung since they ditched 3 of their most popular products on account of the component crisis. I'm talking about the Galaxy Note, Galaxy S Fe and Galaxy Tab S. All of those were left for a 2022 unveiling. Well, the Galaxy Note was actually killed off, according to insiders, but there are still designers that dream of it. Peacock Tech, for example, has a stunning Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra concept. The device gets a ton of goodies, even talking about the 200MP camera, 20GB of RAM or 8K display. This handset comes with a rather big stylus, an edge-to-edge screen, and also a secondary round screen at the back. That one feels a bit like the backside screen of the Huawei P50 Pocket. It's also rather odd to see the flagship appear straight in a pink hue, sans other colors. Also, notice the dual-tone approach of the back, with a grey top side, with the cameras and secondary screen, plus the bottom pink side. We also get to see a periscope camera, a 240Hz refresh rate 8K display with a 6.9-inch diagonal, and no trace of visible selfie camera. It's not likely embedded under the screen panel. 25W wireless charging is also here, as well as reverse wireless charging, powering up a huge 6000 mAh battery. The 200MP back accompanied by a telephoto camera with up to 200x space zoom, an ultra-wide shooter and the lighter or color sensor on the side, plus maybe a secondary telephoto cam. Aside from the pink version, there's also a green one. Since the specs are overkill, this device may end up costing $1,500, not $1,200 like the designer suggested.